Complete and detailed guide for rooting Oppo F11 Pro, CPH1969. In this video we will see how to root Oppo F11 Pro CPH1969 smartphone with MediaTek chipset. There are two parts in the rooting process. The first one is unlocking the bootloader and the second one is flashing patched boot image file for rooting. Links to download all the files, tools are in the description. Download everything and extract the zip files. Important note: unlocking bootloader will void your phone's warranty. Backup your data before starting. Part 1. Unlocking the bootloader. Step 1. In your phone, go to Settings to About Phone to Version and click on Build number 6/7 times. Your phone's developer options will be unlocked. Step 2. Go to Additional Settings to Developer Options and turn on OEM Unlock and USB Debugging. Step 3. Now go to the folder containing the MTK Client GUI tool. In the folder, open the start.bat file. A command prompt window will appear, asking for your permission to download and install USB-DK. Select Yes and press Enter. After that, MediaTek, MTK, related files and drivers will also be downloaded and installed. After the entire installation is finished, restart your PC. Step 4. After that, go to the folder and run the start.bat file again. Now select the Unlock Bootloader option and press Enter. It will ask, do you want to continue? Type Y and press Enter. Now switch off your phone and while pressing the volume up and down buttons together, connect your phone to your PC. Keep the volume buttons pressed. After a while you will see the text, DA_handler, successfully wrote sake FG. Press Enter to continue, which means your phone's bootloader has been unlocked. Now disconnect your phone and boot it up. Under the Oppo logo you will see, orange state. Your device has been unlocked and can't be trusted. Your device will boot in 5 seconds. After the device boots up, go to Developer Settings and you'll see that the OEM Unlock option is now inactive with Bootloader Unlocked written under it. Part 2. Flashing patched boot image file for rooting. Step 1. You need to download the stock ROM flash file for your phone according to your phone's build number version. For my phone it was CPH1969_11_F.19. Step 2. In the extracted folder of the flash file there will be many different files. We need the file with the type OFP, size approximately 6 GB. Step 3. Now go to the MCT-OFP extractor tool folder and run the tool. Click the Choose Oppo, Realme OFP file upload button, browse and select the OFP file from the folder of the stock ROM flash file which we had downloaded earlier and open it. Below that, choose an output directory of your choice. I advise you to create a new folder and select that as the output directory. Then press on Extract. A total of 53 files will be extracted. Step 4. Now connect your phone to the PC. Copy the boot.img file from the OFP extracted output folder to your phone's internal storage. Step 5. Now download and install Magisk Manager APK on your phone. Open Magisk Manager. Click on the Install button next to the Magisk logo. On the next screen under Method, click on Select and Patch a file. File chooser will be opened. Select the phone's default file manager and open your phone's internal storage. Select the copied boot.img file. Then click on Let's Go on Magisk Manager app. The boot image file will be patched by Magisk and the patched copy will be placed in the Downloads folder of your phone. Copy that to the OFP extracted output folder in your PC. Move the original boot.img file to somewhere else, don't delete it, and rename the copied patched file to boot.img. Now go to libusb driver, libusb win32 bin-1.2.6.0, bin folder and choose the AMD64 or IA64 or x86 folder according to your PC's architecture, e.g. for 64-bit PC it will be the AMD64 folder. Run the install filter win.x file there. Keep your phone connected to the PC. Install all the drivers by selecting one device at a time. Then disconnect your phone from your PC. Step 7. Now go to the mctmtk auth bypass tool folder. Run the .x file in there and click on bypass. Now switch off your phone and while pressing the volume up and down buttons together connect your phone to your PC. After a while the text protection disabled now you can be used any flash tool or dongle will appear on the left panel of the tool. Keep your phone connected to the PC. Step 8. Now go to the sp_flash_ tool folder. Run the flash_tool.x file in there. On the Download tab of the tool click on the file chooser beside Scatter Loading File. Go to the OFP extracted output folder and choose the Montana6771_Android_scatter.txt file. After selecting the file everything will be checked in the below table. Uncheck all and check only the boot file. Then click on Download button. After a while a dialog box will appear with the text, Download OK, written inside of it. In this way the patched boot.img file will be flashed to your phone and your phone will be rooted. Step 9. Now unplug your phone from your PC and boot it. After the phone is booted up open Magisk Manager. Requires additional setup. Dialog box will show up and it will ask for your permission to reboot your device. Click on OK. This time you will also see Uninstall Magisk option which was not there before. It is also a sign that your phone is now rooted. Step 10. Install Root Checker app. Open it and click on Verify Root to see if root is detected or not. A prompt will appear asking granting root permission. Click on Grant. In Magisk Manager on the Superuser tab, which has now become active after root, you will find all the apps that have been granted root access. Troubleshooting. What to do if the process fails and your phone gets stuck in Oppo boot logo loop or recovery mode loop. If you get into any such situation just repeat the steps 7 and 8 of the flashing part. But this time before flashing anything keep these two things in mind. 1. Delete the patched boot.img file from the OFP extracted output folder and copy the original boot.img file into it. 2. This time check everything from the scatter file selection table in the flash tool instead of just the boot file. After that your phone will be reset and will go back to out of the box state and you will have to start over. Problems you may face after rooting your Oppo phone. 1. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not working. 2. Root checker couldn't verify root. I faced both of these problems. I repeated the entire process from the start and that fixed the issues for me.